Hey, my Glam'Dollz, this is Monty, part 2 of me combing out my locks. I finished combing out my locks. Now I made a sweet potato mask. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video so that you will not miss any more of my videos. So what I did was made a sweet potato mask. I have an Instapot. I put my sweet potatoes in the Instapot, steamed them. After that, I peeled it and I blended the sweet potatoes. I put some turmeric in the sweet potato mask, and I put some oils in the sweet potato mask. Also, some fenugreek powder into the sweet potato mask. So I'm doing a overnight pre-poo because I have been locked for 10 months and I have not done anything really to my hair. So I'm trying to bring and put back the moisture back into my hair. And I really love the sweet potato mask. This will be a routine regimen of mine that I will add into my regimen for my natural hair journey. So just keep watching, and y'all comment and let me know if y'all have used a sweet potato mask before or not. I'm going to be making a curd oil soon to go into my sweet potato mask as well, because those have really good nutrients that hydrate and moisturize your hair. As you see, I'm just going through each section of hair, almost like putting in a relaxer. If anyone has ever put in a relaxer, you do strand by strand, each piece part, and put the product on the hair, which this is the sweet potato mask. So that's all I'm doing. I'm going to do all 4 sections, and each section I'm going to braid. So I have 4 braids, and then I'm going to put my cap on, sleeping cap, and my plastic bag onto the head to use the natural heat of my hair overnight to penetrate the sweet potato mask into my follicles of my hair shaft. Hey everyone, so it's the next morning. Get ready to wash out this sweet potato mask out of my hair, and I will be using a shampoo bar soap that I made out of cocoa butter soap melt and pour. I put a little bit of sea moss powder in it with bladderwrack, and I put fenugreek in it as well, and I put shea butter in it, and grapeseed oil, and some other different oils and everything like that. I probably will be making a video on how I made the soap, but I know I'm going to be making an African black soap shampoo soon, so I probably will be doing a video on that as well. I don't know if I will be using the shampoo bar again. It lathered, but I really think that the African soap shampoo will be a little bit better, because I can add a little bit more things to it, plus it'll be liquefied as opposed to like a shampoo bar. Well, this is how much hair that I lost from being locked which is a normal size amount of hair, being that I was locked for 10 months, haven't combed my hair. Our hair is supposed to shed. And so I'm going to be measuring my hair today in this video as well, because I want to do like a natural hair challenge to see how long my hair is going to be, being that I did a rice water. Really, I did a rice cream conditioner, which I don't think I will ever do again, because I'm low porosity and my hair was a little bit stiff afterwards. And I did receive some things from Amazon, some brushes and things like that. I needed a new Denman brush. I was going to do a wash and go, but I think because of the rice cream, that wash and go was brittle. So I had to keep on like getting my hair, doing a lot of stuff to it, putting oil on it and different things like that, kind of to bring the pH balance back. I did a green tea and goji berry and dandelion tea rinse. I sprayed. I had to do a lot to bring my hair back to the softness. It's finally back soft, but it was like really brittle from that rice cream. So I do not advise anybody that's low porosity to put rice cream on their hair, maybe just in the scalp area. I saw some videos where people have put it in the scalp area, so that's probably what I would do for 15 minutes, like maybe once every other month or something. I would not be doing it every week. I don't know. I'm still debating. I'm kind of scared of the rice water now, being that that did that to my hair. But I think if you put it on the scalp, it may be a little bit better than putting it all on your actual head. So I definitely will not be doing that again. Okay, so what I'm doing now is using the shampoo bar to rinse out the sweet potato mask in my hair. As you see, I'm just rubbing it pretty much like a washcloth, rubbing it through my scalp first, and I sprayed some water on it first, and I always put a little bit of different oils and stuff in my water, which is I put some rosemary and stuff in it as well too. So I sprayed that on there first, and now I'm just using it like a wash rag, and it's gonna start lathering in a minute, and my scalp and everything is getting clean. I really like that shampoo bar. It definitely is easier doing it that way if you're like doing a video, as you can see. And so that's what I did. My hair was really soft after using the sweet potato mask. Now I'm just washing the shampoo out of my hair and then twisting it. I always work in sections, and then after that, I'm going to put the rice cream on my hair. So to make the rice cream, what I did was boil the rice till it mushed down and got really soft, and then I used a blender, and I had some oats, rolled oats that was already blended, like grinded in powder. So I put them and mixed that with the rice, and that's how I made the rice cream. Like I said, I would never put that on my hair ever again, but it had a nice consistency. It's probably good for people that have high porosity hair, but I have low porosity hair, and so I think it was just too much protein for my actual hair strands. But I probably will, like I said, put it on my scalp. So that's all I did. I did it the same way I did my sweet potato mask, did each section and just put the rice cream on each piece of hair. What? 14. So we're at 14 inches right here. If y'all can see, I hope that y'all can see. So it is 14. Close to 13. This piece right here. As you see that rice cream, it really got my curls popping. That's one thing I will say. It definitely is like an Alpha G 2-minute treatment. If anybody has ever used Alpha G 2-minute treatment with the protein treatment and the keratin. It definitely has my curls popping. So anybody that has any type of heat damage or anything, maybe they do want to put some rice cream on their hair. And so I'm going to continue on doing the measuring. 14. The 10 inches in the back right there. So that's 10 inches. Nope. 11 inches. So we got 11, we got 10. Just right there. 11 and 10. Let's see what else we got. Pretty much I get 13. 10. 11, almost 12, right? 13, because as you see, my hair is still like crimped. Well, not even, because I'm kind of like, yeah, about 14. So yeah, all around we got what? 10s, 11s. Wash out the rice cream. Like I said, my hair, it was not as soft as when I had the sweet potato mask on, but I guess because of the protein, that's what happens. I know that happened before when I used the Alpha G protein treatment, where you use the blow dryer or use heat, and then your curls are crunchy and things like that. So I guess it did what it was supposed to do, but for me, I don't think I need all that protein in my hair. So thanks for watching, guys. Watch part 3 where I show how I did the shingling method, and I also did the Denman brush. Until next time, make sure that y'all always remember, keep God first, and love y'all.